Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial in Spring Boot. Today we are going to learn how to create a registration form in Spring Boot and Thymeleaf. We are going to use the previous example and extend the same example to create a registration form in Spring Boot. We have to create a package to create the form class. New package forms, and I am going to create a class called userform.java. So inside this class, I am going to create the variables. Private username, private string, password. These are the variables to hold the form data. Right click, source, generate, getter and setter, select all, generate. Now the form class is ready. Next we have to create the controller. New package controllers, and here I am going to create a new class, user controller. This is going to be our controller class. This is going to be our controller class. Now we will create the mapping and the class method. So this is the mapping and the show form model. Create the object of user form. So this is going to hold the form data. Model.add attribute, add attribute this, and finally we are going to return the user form. So our controller get controller is ready. Now we have to create the user form.html. It should be in the template directory, file, new file, and enter the file name as HTML. This is the form HTML in Thymeleaf. Let me explain you. Normal doc type. Then we have the namespace, head tag, meta title, body, and the div tag, which is align center, and the h1 tag, and we have the form class, and its action is slash register, method is post, and the object is user. Full name is first name, login name, username, password, confirm password, email, address, and country. So our form is ready. I think this spelling is not. I have to correct this spelling. register, register, and now the mapping is correct. This is the controller class, and it is mapped to show form method, and we are creating a object of user form and adding the attribute to the model, and then returning the user form. So user form is this HTML file. Now run the application. So it is started. Refresh it, and you can see this form is displayed. Now if I click on register, it will throw the error because we don't have any post method handler here. So inside this we are going to add a post handler method. Public string save form and @model attribute user is of type user form and we should map this as post mapping. This was get mapping, and this is going to be the post mapping. Post mapping. And we can write system dot out dot println get first and last name. So this will display the data which is entered into the form. Now we are going to return the same form. It is started. Run it. So you can see we are getting the value into the controller. In this tutorial, I showed you how you can create a registration form in Spring Boot and Thymeleaf. In next video, I will show you how you can add the validation, and in future videos, I will show you how you can save the data into the database and also develop the login form. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.